A new study just released is now unearthing if the Buckeye State's constitutional carry law impacted gun violence in cities. Back on June 13th, the state began allowing citizens to carry a concealed weapon without a permit. The study looked at gun violence in the state's 8 largest cities. 6 saw less gun crimes after the law changed. The data spans from June 2021 to June 2023.
So I think this is worth watching as we go to the future to see if it remains the same. But this is scientifically a good piece of work, and it definitively says that constitutional carry did not create additional gun violence.